This is a very straightforward video. This is a strategy that I just recently discovered and I wanted to show you guys. So first and foremost, this is a combination of the Netherroyer-Watson indicator and pivots, right? Now, these are my indicators right here. You can just add them to your charts. Settings, those are my settings for my pivot and my Lux Algo settings. Cool. Now, this requires just two conditions, right? The condition that, first of all, price is touching your Lux, price is touching your Netherroyer-Watson, right? And you receive a sell signal from your pivot, which you can see right there. See that? Now we have the same thing here. Price touches our Netherroyer-Watson and we receive a buy right here. All right, now that's a sell as well. Now this sell, I probably would not take this sell because it did not touch our Netherroyer-Watson, so I would not recommend this as well. This did not touch, so do not take the buy. This did not touch it, but this touched our Netherroyer-Watson and it gave us a signal, so that was a good buy. That could have been a good, I think yeah, a good 1 to 3. See that? Then here we have another signal, a very nice strong signal. Price touches our Netherroyer-Watson indicator and we get a good sell signal over here, and here we gonna have a good 1 to 6. See that? That was a very good one. A good 1 to 6. So yeah, man. Use it. Let me know in the comment section. I do offer mentorship, so if you need help, I will help you to become profitable. Take care and look forward to the next video.